It's me, Magico. Today we are going to be playing NPCs are becoming smart. The game. Okay, starting. Mm, mm, Okay. A gun. Give me the freaking gun. Mm. But I'm going to. Okay. We enjoy. Okay, okay, I just shot it. Okay. Start. What if I say something but just unrelated ending. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, I got some two endings. I got like two endings. Okay, pineapple, pineapple. I click on the pineapple. Oh, look at that pumpkin. Okay, this kind of looks like 2017 Roblox. What's this? Diamond House? Tango Mangle Shop. Look, beehive. I'm going to ask Karen to follow me. Follow me. Okay then. Come with me. This is so funny. I'm gonna lead you to the beehive. Okay, come. Come. Run away! Ha 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 ha. Actually, what? There. Okay, rejoin. That's actually a pretty nice video. Okay. I'm gonna completely ignore you. This what? Negativity. This is inverted colors. Oh yeah. 5 Robux. Yay! Robux. Hi, welcome. You need 50 Robux, but it says free. Okay, Ruby, Ruby Dominoes isn't that the creator? Okay, I'm gonna collect 5 Robux, but wake up. Okay, totally not Tango. Okay, I think I locked it. I think I locked the door, but I might have. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Do you not want chicken nuggets and nuggets? I can give me that. That. Hmm. Okay, I want that free chicken nugget, so I'm just going to go around this and search 10 Bobucks. Freaking Bobucks. Yeah. Uh, this is awkward. Okay, by the way. Oh, found it.
அவள் எல்லாத்துக்கும் நம்ம சொல்லி சொல்லி செய்வா அவ கூட இன்னும் எத்தனை மாசமா 2 3 மாசமா செய்யறாள.
Okay. Yes. Okay, I threw Tango Mango here. And my Tango Mango fit. Let's see. What order? What is so he? What's he? Okay, guys. So I will gonna end this right here. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.